Today, we're creating a true two-way sync between Campfire and Snowflake, directly within the Stacksync dashboard. This is precisely the kind of real-time, bi-directional data consistency that eliminates costly silos and frees your engineering teams from the ongoing burden of integration maintenance. To begin, we navigate to Create Resource and click on Syncs. We select our Campfire connector and choose a secure, credentialed Campfire connection. After clicking Select, we search for Snowflake and repeat the process. Both credentials have been pre-configured for this demonstration. For detailed guidance on connecting these resources, please refer to the link in the description. Now, let's move to the sync name. We'll update it to Campfire and Snowflake. Clear, descriptive, and built to scale with your organization. Moving into link tables, Stacksync enables you to select as many tables as needed from your Campfire connection. This is where Stacksync's flexibility truly differentiates itself. You can operate in full ETL mode, either unidirectional or, as we're doing here, true two-way sync. We'll keep everything configured for bidirectional sync between Campfire and Snowflake, ensuring every change on either side is instantly reflected on the other, with zero manual intervention. Stacksync provides the option to link to an existing table in Snowflake or to provision a new table automatically. For this demo, we'll create new tables. No manual schema setup, no engineering overhead. Next, let's move to column mapping. This is where Stacksync gives your team granular, enterprise-grade control, allowing you to define the sync direction at the individual column level, adjust data types per column, or exclude columns entirely when they're not relevant to this sync. No more one-size-fits-all integrations that compromise your data architecture. Now, let's go ahead and create the sync. In just a few clicks, our integration between Campfire and Snowflake is live and operational. To activate it, we simply turn on the sync. As an enterprise-grade integration cloud, Stacksync delivers real-time two-way sync and goes further with built-in event triggers. These triggers capture every data change, whether an update, insert, or delete, across your Campfire or Snowflake tables the instant it occurs. With each change, you can trigger targeted workflows, query your database directly, or route events to a queue, giving your architecture the responsiveness and agility that modern enterprises demand. Stacksync also provides intelligent schema propagation. Any structural changes made to your Campfire or Snowflake schema are automatically detected and reflected in your sync. New tables are identified and integrated without any manual intervention, dramatically reducing your long-term maintenance burden and total cost of ownership. For teams that require advanced customization, Stacksync enables full pro-code control through its YAML configuration interface. This gives engineers precise, version-controllable command over how you create a sync, ensuring alignment with even the most complex enterprise requirements without sacrificing speed or agility. You also have the flexibility to adjust sync frequency in real time, optimizing for operational use cases that demand immediate data consistency, or for analytical workloads where scheduled batch updates are the more efficient choice. Let's move to statistics. Here we can confirm that all data between Campfire and Snowflake has been fully populated, achieving true real-time, bidirectional consistency. Navigating to Snowflake and hitting refresh, we can see that all 6 linked tables have been automatically created and populated, with no manual schema configuration required. Let's open the invoice table and verify that the data is perfectly identical on both sides. A single source of truth, maintained automatically and continuously. Now, let's put Stacksync's real-time capabilities to the test. We'll update some data in Snowflake and watch it propagate instantly into Campfire. We'll modify this field from target test to simply target. After saving this record in Snowflake, we switch to our Campfire instance, refresh, and immediately see the update reflected. No delay, no manual sync required. That is genuine real-time consistency. Let's run the same test in reverse for NVIDIA. We'll update the record directly in the customer's table within Campfire, save it, return to Snowflake, refresh, and confirm that the record for NVIDIA has been automatically updated. Bidirectional consistency, proven in real time in both directions. Stacksync enables you to update, insert or delete individual rows, or execute bulk operations between Campfire and Snowflake, giving your teams robust, granular control over every data flow at any scale. With support for over 200 connectors, Stacksync allows you to connect your critical business systems to all your databases and data warehouses seamlessly and securely. Beyond sync, Stacksync delivers workflow automation, managed queues, hyperscale database support, and EDI integration with more than 5,000 partners. The result? Your enterprise reclaims valuable engineering hours, accelerates time to value for new integrations, and significantly lowers your total cost of ownership for data integration, turning what was once months of costly custom development into days of streamlined configuration. Get started at Stacksync.com, the #1 AI-ready enterprise integration cloud.